Hi Zoe, how you spell your name?
C-O-E, Zoe.
How you spell mom?
M-O-M, Mom.
What's the sound of a dog?
Meow,
What's the sound of a cat?
meow, meow.
How about the bird?
Pee, pee.
What about the snake? What's the sound of a lion?
Rawr.
What's the sound of a monkey?
Ah,
What's the sound of a horse?
Kia, kia.
What's the sound of an elephant?
Rawr.
What's the sound of a train?
Choo, choo, cha, cha, choo, choo.
What's the sound of a frog?
Ribbit, ribbit.
What's the sound of a pig?
Oink, oink.
What's the sound of a monkey?
Ah,
What's about the horse?
kia, kia.
What's the sound of a dog? What's the sound of daddy?
Baby.
What's the sound of Zachary?
Ah.
What's the sound of Brother Mel?
Jesus.
Okay, can you sing for me? ABC.
No one, 1, 2, 3. What next, Mom?
Okay, what's can you sing ABC?
A B C E I G A B C E I G excited and Mama will be curious and T U B double swear C sing with me.
What's the color of your hair? Hair. What's the color of your shirt?
Purple.
And
Huh?
what the color of the other shirt?
Blue.
Okay. What's the name of your dad? Brother
Brother.
Joseph.